Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create menu in WordPress. This is the menu we have in our website. Basically the menu is used to redirect the viewers to different pages of your website. So I will just go to the dashboard, click on appearance. You will see a menu option here. Click on it. It's super easy. After that, this will just redirect us to the menu page. You will see an option here, create a new menu. Click on it. Just use any menu name you want. I will just select the new menu, and if you want to use these settings, you can just simply check the box and click on create menu. It will just create a new menu. After that, we will add menu items in our newly created menu. Now these are the pages we have in our websites, and we will use these pages in our menu as a menu items. So I will click on view all. It will show me all the pages I have in my website. If you want to search any page, you can click on search and type the name of the page. I will click on view all. If you want to add any new page in your menu, so you can go to the page section, click on add new and create a new page. I will show you in my next video how to create a page in WordPress, and then we will add the new page in our menu as well. So for now I will just select home, about, contact, my account and shop page. Now I will just click on add to menu. It will add all the pages to my menu as a menu item. Now if you want to create a sub menu, a menu having a child menu, you can just simply drag this one like this. It will come under this menu. So if you want to change the layout of the menu or the sequence of the menu, you can simply drag the menu like this. So I will keep this layout. Now click on save menu. It will save this menu. After that, we will just change our menu. You will see the changes here. Now we have home, plants, about, and simply go to appearance, customize. You will find customize option under appearance. Sometime it also appear in this bar. Click on customize. You will see different options here. We will use all these in our coming videos. Now I will click on menu. Now you will see all the menus you have in your website. I will choose new menu. You will see all the options you added in your menu. You can add items from this button as well. Now I will select the locations. What are the locations? Locations are basically the places where you want to show your menu. The primary menu is this navigation. Your menu will appear here, and the footer menu will be the menu in footer. So for now I will just select primary menu and footer menu, and after that I will just click on publish. Now I will just refresh this page and you will see the changes in our menu. Basically our newly created menu will appear here. So let's go. Here we go. Now our menu is changed. This is the menu we just created. It's simple and super easy. Now if you want to delete a menu, you can simply go to the same page, click on dashboard, appearance, menu, and select the menu you want to delete. I want to delete this one, so I will simply click on delete menu, click on OK. It will delete our menu. So our menu is deleted. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and give a like to my video. In our coming videos we will learn more things about WordPress.